how does a success look like from the side? At Decco, we know that it consists of a number of factors. For starters, good location, which helps in effective planning of supply and transportation costs. Economic zone of Suwałki, this is where the Decco production and logistics center is located. By investing in this region, we are helping to create jobs. Our work is the result of collaboration of many specialists and production processes, which result in the window profile of the highest performance. It all begins right here at the mixing facility. Polyvinyl chloride, delivered by tanks, is pumped into silos, from which it then is transferred to the mixing facility. All add-ons and components are supplied by reputable manufacturers on the market, taking care of the highest quality. After the inspection, raw materials, i.e. PVC, chalk and titanium dioxide, are enriched with certain additives according to the Decco recipe. The profile production process begins with the proper preparation of the mixture. In the fully automatic mixing facility, raw materials are weighed and transported, dosed, mixed, dried and cooled. Continuous monitoring ensures color and chemical composition consistency. Ready mixed material is transported to the daily silo and prepared the proper extrusion process. Then it is transferred into the extruder barrel, from which it is then conveyed to the main tool. Properly prepared PVC goes to the production lines, where profiles are created in the extruders. In the extruder, under heat and pressure, the mixture changes its consistency from the powder to the plastic form. The extrusion process is complicated, and it is controlled by a number of variable parameters that determine the correct course of extrusion. After leaving the extruder, the pre-shaped profile is calibrated and cooled. There, it also obtains its final shape. Then the profile is cooled by water in cooling baths. Ready profiles are veneered and labeled, and in such form received by the customers in Poland and abroad. Each profile generated on the production lines requires its own set of tools and strict observance of production parameters. However, without the commitment of all our employees, there would be no success. We have always been proud of the fact that we were able to assemble a team of professionals who know their job. Before our product enters the market, all the necessary tests are carried out in the laboratory. First of all, the dimensions and weight of the profiles are controlled. Also, resistance of the welding is tested, resistance to impact of the falling weight, thermal shrinkage at -10 Celsius, and profiles behavior at 150 degrees Celsius. We also accurately measure the color profile. After the tests, only those profiles that have met all the criteria are accepted for sale. Ready profiles are taken to the warehouse and then prepared for shipping. Every delivery is supervised by a computerized logistics system that controls the individual stages. As a result, at any time, we know where the given batch of goods is and if it will reach the customer on due time. Timely delivery is the basis for the effective conduct of business. We are also successful in this area of our business. Focusing on the development, we think about new markets. That's why we created our network of partners throughout the European Union and in Eastern Europe. In view of these markets, we create new families of profiles that meet the individual needs of the different recipients. Decco profiles are divided into groups. Decco 70 is a system of 6 chamber profiles of excellent thermal insulation properties. At the moment, Theramico is the best performance system on the market with an extremely low thermal transmittance. As part of Theramico, we produce profiles for windows and doors, white or dyed. Customers appreciate their extraordinary elegance and beautiful form. It is our #1 product. Renovation profiles have been designed specifically for Western European market customers. At the moment, it is one of the fastest growing segments of windows production. In Decco, we can offer our professionalism and commitment to work. These advantages have been appreciated by many customers, without whom our success would not be possible. Today, the success of Decco is also their success. Our motto, cooperation condemned to success.